Republic Financial Holdings has recorded a $148.7 million profit for the 9-month period ending June 30th, 2018. In commenting on the recently released unaudited group financial highlights, Group Chairman Ronald Harford said this represented an increase of US $5.2 million or 3.6% over the corresponding period of the last financial year. The company's total assets stood at US $10.4 billion as at June 30th, 2018. The chairman said, as was the case for the first half of the fiscal year, the improvement in profitability was driven mainly by better performance in its overseas subsidiaries. Mr. Harford says the group expects to achieve a satisfactory performance to the end of the fiscal year. He added that they are well positioned to withstand the economic challenges ahead with a strong balance sheet, robust capital, and adequate liquidity. The new administration's revised approach to the sale of state assets could potentially see a major shift away from the previous administration's intention to sell entities like the Barbados National Terminal Company outright. That's according to Central Bank Governor Cleviston Haynes.
I know that the new administration is not that keen on selling assets per se, but is open to looking at lease arrangements. But I don't know where those discussions may have gotten at this point in time. But suffice to say that in relation to the prospective privatization, there has not been any, I think, further progress in relating to what was being considered at the time. As I said, the whole economic strategy, in a sense, has changed since our last meeting. And while I think the possibility for some type of privatization still exists, it may not take the form that was originally being contemplated.
Time now to take a look at how stocks traded on selected exchanges across the region.
First up in Jamaica, Mayberry Investments Limited was the volume leader with 1,03,340 units, and they were followed by JMMB Group Limited and Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited. Over in Trinidad and Tobago, Trinidad Cement Limited was the volume leader with 504,137 shares changing hands for a value of $1,487,204.15, and they were followed by Sagicor Financial Corporation Limited and Trinidad and Tobago NGL Limited. And right here in Barbados, Sagicor Financial Corporation Limited was the sole security, trading 250 shares at $2.31 each.